well, here's night one. Out in the mountains. My little spot. Could be the only night, actually. Pretty spot. It's pretty dope. Got in here kind of late. A little annoyed, I suppose. So, see what happens when tomorrow comes. I always like places that leave you wood. Just good amount of wood here. Dylan! Doing this all night so far. Layla is now chained up and doesn't look to be on camera. Stop walking behind me. There's that black dog. Dylan! Dylan! Come! Oops, sorry. Come on. Oh boy. Let's go back to the fire. Well, I think I'm gonna read a book for a little bit. Play guitar and go to bed. So we'll see ya. I guess here's me in the wilderness. Walking, there's me by the fire. There's me in front of, the tent. Is there a fire? Oh, yeah, there's a fire. So, anyway. Yeah. Well, it's morning. What of a cold night. Let's see here. Dylan on a rope, and there's Layla, not happy, on a rope. Let them out of the tent this morning, and they were gone. Couldn't find them for over an hour. It was kind of annoying, so they're both on the rope now. Anyway, somebody going by. Anyway, it's beautiful out here. Had some coffee, gonna go for a hike pretty soon. And, well, that's about it. There's a cute little puppy. There's a dumb dog. we're all just kicking back. Me with my buck. On a dead fire. Get close and look into the fire. Yeah, having fun with the